Victoria has 18 tomatoes to use in some recipes. Select a way that she could divide the tomatoes equally among some recipes. Mark all that apply. So let's look at A. A reads 3 tomatoes in each of 6 recipes. Well, let's understand what this word each means. It really means in each recipe. This will help us translate our words into numbers. They'll help us understand words into numbers. So let's go ahead and use our language frame to help us solve this problem. So Victoria has 18 tomatoes. Well, that 18 tomatoes is the 18 tomatoes we have in all. And to use in some recipes, well, that's like how many groups or how many recipes. And since we don't know how many recipes, because it says some recipes, we'll put our square for unknown number. Select a way that could divide the tomatoes equally among some recipes. So that one really is our orange oval, which can read how many tomatoes are in each recipe. Which could read how many tomatoes are in each recipe. And since we don't know that number yet, we'll put a square there. So let's go ahead and take A and plug into our equation. So there are 3 tomatoes. So there are 3 tomatoes in each recipe. So there's the 3 of what? Of 6 recipes, which is like the groups. So does 6 times 3 equal 18? Well, yes, it does, and so we're going to mark this correct. Since we've run out of space, we're going to clean this up a little bit and go ahead and do B through F. So for B, we're putting 4 tomatoes in each of 4 recipes. So 4 tomatoes in each recipe, and we had 4 recipes, so 4 times 4 equals 16. So this is no. Let's go on to C. C has 7 recipes times 2 tomatoes in each recipe, which is 14. So this is also a no. For D, this has 6 tomatoes in each of 3 recipes. So we know there are 3 recipes for D, and in there were 6 tomatoes in each recipe. That's 18. So we know this is a yes. So this is yes. And then going on to E, it says 9 tomatoes in each of 2 recipes. For E, there are 2 recipes and 9 tomatoes in each recipe, so that's 18. So E works. And so for F, F reads that there are 3 tomatoes in each recipe, so that's where the 3 goes, and we have 5 recipes, 5 right there, and we have 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So there's your solution. This is Yo-Yo Juice Sticks, helping you understand how to take words into numbers, taking words into numbers, and to be able to solve this problem. This is just one way you can do it. I know students that will have other ways that you can solve it as well. There's no one way that is right, but the best way to solve this problem is the way that you can understand it.